Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a Gantt chart in Lucidchart. To get started, open Lucidchart and go to your Documents area. This is the main workspace where your files and templates are organized, so it's the right place to begin when you want to create a new chart from scratch or from a preset layout. Once you're in Documents, click on New. This opens the options for creating a fresh file. If you're not sure which format to choose, don't worry, because in this walkthrough we'll be using a ready-made template to save time and give you a strong starting point. From the menu that appears, click on Create from Template. Templates are especially helpful for Gantt charts because they already include the basic structure you need for planning tasks, timelines, and project phases. Using a template can make the setup process much faster and easier, especially if you're new to this type of chart. Next, type Gantt chart into the search bar. This helps narrow down the available templates so you can quickly find the one designed for project scheduling. Be sure to type the phrase clearly so the most relevant result appears. When you see the Gantt chart option, click on it. This will open the template preview, allowing you to confirm that you've selected the right layout. At this point, you may see example task names, dates, or bars already included. That's normal, and these placeholders are there to show you how the chart is structured. After that, click on Use Template. Lucidchart will create a new document based on that template and open it in the editor. This is where your chart becomes fully customizable. The template gives you the framework, but you can now tailor it to match your own project needs. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to edit the chart. Update the sample content with your own project information, adjust the timeline as needed, and make changes directly in the editor. Take your time reviewing each section so the chart reflects your schedule accurately. If something looks unclear at first, the visual layout usually becomes easier to understand once you begin replacing the example content with your real tasks. As you edit, keep consistency in mind. Clear task names and accurate time ranges will make the final chart much easier to read and more useful for planning. That's it. You've now opened Lucidchart, selected a Gantt chart template, and started customizing it for your project.